Hello guys, it is evening, finally. Oh, it's evening. I love it. I absolutely love it out here at night. See, isn't that pretty? That's so pretty. That's not our field. I wish it were, but that's West over there. And Eeyore, he's been keeping me company. Yes, you go, boy. He's been a very good boy at keeping me company. He likes to be outside. So this is what I just finished up. It's been a weird day. You know, like being up in the morning and taking care of weird farm stuff and then working and then taking care of farm stuff early. It's just been very strange today. It's a very strange feeling. But get it all done. Got the other little feeder thing for the chicks that come next week. But I've got fence all attached like I said I was going to do. Goes down the wire and it gets really close to everybody. I got the new live trap with a little bit of chicken feed in there. They got mad, so I had to give them some more. Right? And then it goes down. I got a camera there facing that way. So that'll be the angle that it sees. Actually, more or less like that from there. So I'll take this up here. I won't need that. And then I've got that one over there that will turn on. This is a wide angle one, and it's really one of my favorites. And it'll catch like anything like that. So that'll catch everything coming across, and maybe it might even catch inside the trail there. Now it will. So let's leave this overnight, and I'll see what happens tomorrow. So I won't put this up until tomorrow, and that way you guys can see what happened. I don't know. Cross your fingers that the culprit comes back, because it needs to go away. All right, well, we'll see you in the morning. Good morning, guys. It's first thing in the morning, and because it's my scheduled day off, I get to sleep in for an extra hour. So it's about 6:30 in the morning, and well, while the coffee is being made, I noticed something. Remember the ticking that I heard? Maybe I said it. I don't know. I don't remember if I said it or not. Well, anyway, I thought I heard a ticking. And when I was getting the cards, I noticed a portion of the fence was pushed down. Ha ha ha. It is quite possible that our intruder showed up, hit the fence, and then hit the road running. So I'll show you. See how this is high up? It's high up. Oops, sorry. It's high up, high up, high up. And then all of a sudden, whoop, right here, it falls down to the ground. I mean, literally on the ground. So something came through here, because this came undone a little bit to pull it. So it wasn't tight anymore, because I know I had this tight last night. So, yeah. I don't know. Can't wait to see what the card's going to say. Let's get the rest of the grass away from this here. So when I turn it back on, it'll be okay. It won't shock out on the ground. I'm not touching. Well, you don't have prickers yet, so you should be all right. Good morning, Sniffles. Hi, Sniffles. Hello, Yo-Yo. How are you two doing? Oh, you want some of this? You want some of this, Sniffles? You want a little bit of that? I know, you're watching me. No, I know. Good morning. I wish I could let you guys out. Now everybody's having a bath over there. I guess that's the bathing area today. Everybody's getting their feathers cleaned. Hi! Well, these two are over here looking for some breakfast. Even though they have plenty of breakfast right there. Right? Good morning. Good morning, Sniffles. You gonna give me an egg today? You look it. And that's why she's called Sniffles. She's been doing that since I bought her, I think 4 years ago, at a chicken swap. Paid $15 for her. And she's been a very good hen. Yes, you have. She's been pretty good too. Oh, Miss Yo-Yo. I bought her, she was just a little pullet. Like 3 years ago. All my ladies are getting old. But they're still doing what they gotta do. All the time. Good morning, Mac. I know, you always say hi. Hi, Mac. You say hi to everybody? Here comes Sniffles. Hi, Skunk. No, I wasn't saying hi to you, Yo-Yo. Hello, you guys. Well, they seem okay. They're a little sad because they missed a couple. It is very quiet, which is weird. So those are the 4 baby chicks that I had last in the fall. So there's only like 1, 2, 5 that I've never had before. So at least the babies are still alive. So now that the fence is fixed, I can turn it back on. And the coffee's probably finished, I hope. And go see what's on those cards. I always get so excited. I don't know if like, maybe it's a hunter thing. I don't know. But every time when I put the cards out, I always want to go out like the very next day, see what came by like overnight. But, you know, as a hunter, you can't do that. You got to put it out, leave it out. That way they get time to adjust to see it. Oh, birds. I got these little black birds nesting in my gutters on my house. And I've got two of them nesting in the barn, which is fine. They're not barn swallows or anything. Oh, look at these. Oh, look at these peonies. They're so huge. They were wide open yesterday afternoon. And now they've closed up for the night and they're going to open back up. But look at these buds. For my gardeners that are subscribers, peonies, if you've noticed, there's no ants on these ones. This is an antless peony, and most of the time a peony has a sugary outer coating or something that they need ants as a symbiotic relationship to help them open. So usually you'll see black ants eating along the seams here. But this is a variety that doesn't require that. How cool, huh? I bought it at a garden store as like a bush about half this size, not even. And it cost like $50. And I was like, oh my God, this thing's gonna die. But it doesn't. Keeps coming back every year. And it reaches to the east for the sunshine. I gotta get rid of some weeds. You gonna help me weed today? Huh? No, we have to go to work. We gotta work today. You gonna help me weed? No, let me help me find frogs. So, it's probably about 7 o'clock now. I got an extra hour before I have to be in my office. So, come on, Eva. Come on. That's what I do with every morning. Come on, I'm gonna leave you out here. I'm gonna leave you outside. Come on. He'll come in. So, like I said, off to the cards. And that means it's done. Sir? Sir, you can't have any. Should we go upstairs and go look at the cards? I think that's a yes. Okay, let's go upstairs and look at the cards. Yep, there he goes again. Check out his chickens. Okay, guys, what a day it's been. It is now over, and the clouds are starting to come in a little bit, and we've got some clouds over that way. Not so bad. It's actually kind of nice. Hi, Eeyore. Buongiorno. Yeah, you don't care. So, if you noticed, there's nothing between the day video and now. That's because there was nothing on the cards. Nothing, except for me going back and forth. So I really don't think you wanted to see me. So, I'm gonna put the cards back into the cameras and we're gonna let them sit. So tomorrow is Friday, and I'm gonna go visit my mom for Mother's Day, I think. I got her a little something something. I think she'll like it. So we're gonna put the cards back in there. I'm gonna wait a couple of days, and then probably wait until like Monday maybe. I'll come back Sunday, so I'll probably wait until Monday to collect the cards and stuff like that, and maybe we'll see a thing or two. Oh well, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out as always, and make sure you turn your chicken coop into Fort Knox. Because there's always someone who can get through Fort Knox. Always. Always. Have a good day, you guys.